ako sa lugar na may hot water. At dito po ako kasi aksidente si explore dito paggabi na slide. Bakit? Kasi ewan ko ito yung trabaho talaga nila ganito. So ito siya na slide. I don't know kung saan particular area, pero as you can see natunaw na lang yung yellow, yung slope. Pero kung titingnan mo maigi, this is the result of the people are busy working. Probably ma-accident ito ng tao. So, kasi karamihan sa kanila maraming tamad talaga sa trabaho nila. So, natunaw na lang yan. So probably hindi yun ganyan yung picture ng kadisgrasya si Live Explorer dito. Na-slide siya at inindan niya talaga. Hindi nga siya nakatulog ng maayos. So I'm calling the city if ever, or the borough here. That's their office shot, I think. So dapat linisin nila yan ng maayos, hindi yung ura-urada lang. Binabayaran naman yung mga taong ito to work, to handle this kind of job. So but as you can see, tunaw na lang yan. But siguro kung hindi natunaw yan, probably yung tao dito talagang nag-iingat sa paglalakad kasi madulas. Hopefully ako ito madulas. Like this, yung natabunan yan, natabunan na yan, 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 natabunan na yan, madulas yan, disgrasya talaga. Pero bago na tayo siya, hindi sana ganyan yan. If only, people work properly. Yan, katulad yan. So kung hindi aayusin yan, pag natabunan na uli yan, magiging cause yan sa disgrasya. Ingat lang kayo, bayan. If you're passing this side of Montreal, especially in front of Dawson's School, ingat, or wear something na hindi kayo madisgrasya kasi yan, tulad yan. Yan. Ito yung cost ng kanyang slide kasi hindi niya na patayan. So wala rito ay see. So yan po trabaho ng mga tamad. Busy people.
This is a terrible place in this area here in the crossing. It's really deep, the snow when it's melting, and it's really very, very dirty to step on. I fell. I almost fell when I jumped, but it's too bad. Look at this. There, look at the people there. They are turning around, finding ways where to pass, to cross. See? It's all water, dirty melted snow over there. Look at the people there. See, that's how it is. See, he got his shoes because it's very, very difficult in that place to cross there when the snow melted. Yeah, that's how it is. It's too bad. It's really, really bad. Look, everybody had a swim in that corner there when crossing the street. crazy here. And this is a bit hilly here, so people are so careful, but it's like this. The snow are not yet taken. This is too bad. Everybody are careful here. Now I'm wearing my snow grip because this is hilly part. It's really slippery, and it's like that. The snow pile is still here. I don't know where they're gonna see that side there. They didn't clean up the walkway. It's crazy. They're gonna clean up this one, but this is here in downtown. That side there, see? It's all. This is the crossing area. The snow are covering the road, so it's difficult to go, but you cannot go in this side. You have to turn in this side because the snow is there. How are we gonna cross that? See, it's crazy. And this is the water. Oh my gosh. So we have to cross in this side because that side there is crazy. The snow is not taken. Look, people are.
This is Kinig catering.
At least dito, maganda.
Yan. Ganyan dapat oh. Pero at that side oh, talagang Tamad, may SM pa dyan. Tamad yung mga tao. Very lazy. Tingin nila na okay na yung sasakyan na makadaan. Yung pedestrian hindi.
We are lucky here because our people were going
Ibig sabihin,
knowing
people
it
are
well.
working here and doing it well, very well.
But in the other place, I felt it like every day. Today, good. The person I'm taking care is still mobile.
You see that?
Pathetic. Empathize for me to get rest because I fell yesterday. I have a little bit of pain.
At least yun, natunaw yun sigurado, pero hindi yung ganun. See that? See that? So, ganyan talaga pagka hindi inayos ang trabaho. Basta na lang. So, I've been in the four areas this day. Una doon sa snow doon kung saan slide si LD. Pangalawa doon sa Notre Dame. Then the other one sa snow doon sa Utiko sa Port St. Catherine kung saan malapit na CPRM. So yung bang trabaho na okay na yan, pwede na basta makitang okay na yun. So parang Pinoy lang yan, pwede na yan. O baka nahawa sa Pinoy.
Huwag ka naman.
Aw, huwag naman ganito. Pedestrian dyan, kasi mas maraming pedestrian kaysa hindi nila Pilipino. Everybody. See? Yung inayos mo naman yan, hindi dapat buti nga, sasakyan yan. Kaya paano kung sa kalsada? Pedestrian. Buti na lang, hindi pedestrian. Pero look at this. This is reality here. Look at this one. So, paano tatawid ang isang pedestrian sa ganyan? Sabi yan? Yan. Saan dadaan ng tao?
Paano ka mag-cross on the other side of the dito ang dito ka, tatakbo ka doon, yung ikot ko sa kanila.
Lilipad ka.
So, it's your time to go. Paano ka makapag-cross on the other street kapag ganyan ang corner ng
pedestrian yan. Kala siguro nila mga tao nakakotse lahat.
Kahit pa nakasakay ka ng bus,
Oo.
so masaya ka ba na hindi makarating yung
Alam ko may schedule sila pero dapat lang on time sila mag-schedule. Katulad nito, natambak na yan, oh, tumigas na. Ganyan-ganyan yung dinaanan ni LD kaya siya nadulas. Tatabunan ng puti, kaya dulas, sorry. Okay? Pinapakita lang namin, hindi naman kami nagdano. Kumbaga, ayan, tulad nito. So how can people walk with this area like this? How about the pedestrian? Okay, muntik na ako. Muntik na ako maano. Huwag ka na pumunta doon. Dili na. Dito na. Oh, madulas na dyan. Hindi mo malalag to. Pababaw lang yan. See? Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Okay. So dapat ito nililis na rin.
They also delayed today. I don't know if they're expecting for another snowfall, but it will take time.
Dapat tumilis ito eh.
they're waiting for a positive temperature to melt, but that's the most dangerous thing when it melts. It's still negative.
Okay. Yung mahirap dito, pedestrian. Priority dapat. Wala. Second na lang yung pedestrian ngayon. So katulad dito, kung inayos pa to, may ganito to. Yan oh. So we have to be extra careful. Baka kasi madulas ka. Yan. Okay, ayun. Sakit pa naman. Right ko. Yan, katulad nito. Hindi dapat yan yung ganun magtambak eh. Yung naka-assign dyan, ginagawa yung trabaho. Yan o, pinag-kintab kahit madilim. Anyway, so andito na ako. Yan po yung live ko. Abangan to sa YouTube. Dugtong-dugtong ko to. For now, bye-bye. Magandang gabi. Have a good night, Reyes. Happy weekend sa lahat.